What up, y'all? Strange Edition Vintage back in another video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to remove the lint off your clothes. I got this nice little hoodie. I got lint on that shit. It's nice and musty.
Jeez.
I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get rid of that today.
Let's go.
Come on in. Alright, so for this process, you're gonna need this MagicTec lint remover. It's rechargeable, which means you don't need batteries whatsoever. All you gotta do is plug it in and you're ready to go. Alright, so it comes in this cool little box. Let's go ahead, open this up. First thing you're gonna see when you open it up, it's the actual product. And then in it, you have the manual. It's gonna come with a USB cable and also this little brush. Alright, so if you want to take it out of the bag, first thing you can see, you have the on and off switch. Then you go down to the bottom, you have the charging port, and then you see this button right here. If you click that, this is where the lint trap is. Then we go in the back, open this up, and you see the fabric brush. Now that you guys have seen it, it's time to show you how to use it. So for the first step, you want to get your garment that you want to clean on a nice hard surface. Then, when you're going over it, you don't want to apply too much pressure, and then when you're moving it around, you don't want to go too fast either, but I'm going to show you guys how that looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, drop a thumbs up. The link to this will be in the description, so go copy it, make all your garments clean. New videos every week. Make sure you guys subscribe, turn on that notification button, go check it out. Bunch of new tutorials, vlogs, other vintage shit like that. Go cop this in the description. Have a good rest of your day.